well, I'm back. Let's do her prank first, but first I want to play. The house! Oh no! Rawr! Rawr, the faster you can! Here is your friend! Woo! Oh! Ah! I fall! I am your area! I am your superhero! Yay! Someone help me, huh? And they fell in love. Okay, now put the house back. Toys back. And the freak. Mom, can I have a cup of water? Or tea, I mean milk. Okay. Ooh, I will add it a little bit in milk. Some sauce. Ooh, sauce. Now some ketchup. And now of this. Oh, and it looks good. Some salt. It will look so yummy. It will look like a salter. Ooh, some of these will sound amazing. Ooh, this smells so gross. Ew. Didn't that look good? Okay. Ooh, some of these will look better. Some of this. Sorry, what are you drinking? Oh, it's a smoothie. Sister, can you go and grab something? No, I am doing something, sis. Oh. Whoa! Wait, guys, pretend. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Something happened there. Oh, sorry. Oh, not needed to be for me. I needed to do it again. Oh, no, this. What I need? Milk. Okay. I need to do it again, guys. Ugh. My sister ruined it. Like, she ruined it. I will give her sauce again. There was sauce. Then was ketchup. Then was this. It was delicious. La la. Are you adding all the things? Because this is the recipe. Huh? What was that? Oh my god, I am hot and my dress. Oh my god. Cup of water. You guys pretend. Okay. So I need to. Oh my goodness. Oh, but my dress. I hate you. Ugh. Some water in a towel. It will need to work. This get off. Then I get off. Oh, I hate her. Why she did this? Let me hear. The prank work. Oh my god, what's a prank? Oh, she did it on perfect. Oh, a prank. Let's see about that. Let's do a prank. Or maybe millions of pranks. No, it's good. Now I need to slide it off. There. Now let's go. Oh, not drive it off a little bit. Guys, her shampoo is this one. So I will change it. Guys, look. This recipe will be amazing. What are you doing? Why you have the shampoo? Because my sister did a prank. That thing she was doing with the thing, she ruined my dress. So now I fix it. So I will make her back. Ooh, hot sauce. Would you put hot sauce in your drink? Of course you put. Come on. Drip. You love this drink. Or I mean, soap. Let's put in some of this. Oh, she hates. You know my sister what hates? You love it. So cute. Her. No. Purr. You will love it. Oh, some. There. Thanks for the poop. Sorry, guys. I think I get enough, kid. Okay, some flowers. Well, I get enough because she did it. And some tea. Will look amazing on her hair. No, there's it. Her another plant, guys. Look, what is it? The toothbrush. I will put it another. I will put it with some of the she hates these things. Will be worth it. Oh my god, she will love this. Oh my god, I forgot. Share toothpaste. This will make look amazing. I will bring it with some hot sauce. You will love it. Because that's what you get, sis. Okay, pour it. It will look delicious. Okay, now. Oh, when you want to dry it off, let's see. Let's put some ketchup in the water right here. Okay, look. The ketchup is like that. Okay, oh, this good. Now the shampoo. Won't be ketchup. Will be something she hates. Ooh. I don't want to smell this. Fish not cook. Yeah. Gross. Wipe it with this. Like the will be very, very clean the fish, but not the brush. There, fish. Maybe this for dinner. I will eat it. There. Or in the bed. Sis, can you go and pick up some apples? Of course. I will do another prank, but I don't think of pranks. Oh, okay, she's gone. Okay, now I need some of this and some of this because you will hate it. Her bed. You will see, sis, who you came from. And you will see why you do not need to put pranks to your sister. They will be amazing. Look at all this. Ooh. I don't want to touch it anymore. Some pepper. Sis, I am coming. Oh my god. Or put it okay there. Ooh, some water. Or she's not coming yet, but maybe I will put some of this in the water. Okay, drip it. Pretend I drip it, guys. Okay, there. Oh, hey, sis. Girls, it's time to go. And brush your teeth, okay, first. Okay. Brush your teeth. Amazing. Guys, sorry if I didn't I put a prank in the here because I put that. Oh, this is gross. This is gross. Oh, I will put something else okay, there. Brush your teeth. Amazing. Yummy. Let's go and see. We want to see how you brush your teeth. No. Oh my god. Big trouble. Okay. Where my toothpaste? Look, Mom. Ooh, is it the new one? I think so. Oh my god.